Welcome to Pydle Day 19. Pydle is your daily Python puzzle that you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's puzzle looks a bit like a target. So with the bullseye in red center and a green circle approximation in our very limited pixels, and then black on the outside. See how you get on solving today's Pydle. As usual, we now solve yesterday's Pydle, which looks like a weaved fabric with the different strands going over each other. Okay, so you can solve this mathematically by doing kind of a matrix transformation and rotation. I'm going to solve it quite simply, but yeah, if you want a challenge, you can solve it that way. So all of these are lines with 5 pixels. So let's just do our loop for I in range 5. Okay, let's draw the blue one first. So let's do Pydle. Okay, the Y is constant at 1. X varies, so use I for X there, no character and blue. Okay, that's the blue done. Oops, there you go. Okay, blue. Let's do purple next. So purple, the X in that case is constant at 3. So what happens if we just do the same with I varying? So the Y varying with I. We do purple. Okay, let's see what that does. Okay, so what we see is because the purple is drawn from the top and blue from the bottom, it means that the blue pixel in the overlap basically overrides the purple one. So what we can do is we can just draw it from the bottom. So if we do 4 minus I, it means the purple is drawn from the bottom and the blue pixel is then drawn, and then straight afterwards the purple pixel is drawn on top of that one, which is what we want. Okay, so next one is yellow. Okay, so yellow we can just draw from the left. So we can just use that one, copy that over, and that's going to be 3 I and yellow. And we don't have to do anything special because the purple pixel would be drawn on the second iteration, and then the yellow pixel would be drawn on the 4th iteration. So the order is going to be right. Okay. And then the last one is green. Now we can't just do this same as the other one. So if we did do that, just did with y increasing, then fixed x of 1. So we can't get the order right where because it basically goes clockwise, the one strand overlapping the other one, so we won't be able to get that right. So we have to do a little if statement for that one pixel. So it's basically y1 x1. So we have to say if I not equals to 1, and then draw that. So because we're drawing from the top, we basically just need the blue pixel to stay in place and that that green one to not be drawn. So I hope that makes sense. Hope you were able to solve that yesterday. Have a go at today's Pydle and give me a follow if you like this content. See you tomorrow.